Gikuo kia Julia Wangui Kariuki gikoretwo kiri kirigania akuire aumanite rumande njira-ini ya Nanyuki indi uthuthuria wa mwiri wake wonanitie ndari na nguraro ironania kuhurwo ni borithi.
Well, we are finding some things in the lungs, in the brain, in the pancreas, and the liver, all of which can actually be contributory.
Ndagitari uri utongoretie mihango ya uthuthuria uyu Peter Ndegwa augite ni Majuli arari na nguraro kiongo-ini indi itironania kuhurwo ni amu ni arathinjitwo kiongo atanahuruka.
Physical injury on that, and that's why we also need to look at the records. You remember the surgeons had worked on the head. They had opened the head, what you call craniotomy. Therefore, we want to also see what the doctors found, which we don't have right now.
Kuri uguo ataramu aya maiguanire na family yake maheo ihinda ria ciumia 2 makiria niguo matabanie uthuthuria ithimi-ini itiganite niguo kumenya gitumi gia gikuo giake.
We have not come up with a conclusive cause of death. We are saying it's pending those other tests, and we have said within 2 weeks we may be able to come back here and conclude that autopsy, so that we can maybe tell you really what happened to Julia.
Mwaria wa family no o uria niwe showe wa Julie oritie muingi kugia na wetereri nginya maumirira maya monekane.
And I want to tell my family and everybody, let's wait for the results of the doctors, because these people, they took long to go to school, and I don't think they have anything to hide or to get bribed. So I believe what they will tell us is going to be right, and the family will say yes. Because that's what we are waiting for.
Uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Julie utafanitio urugamirirwo ni maofitha a kuma honge cia DCI, IPOA, IMLU, LSK na KNHCR. Kungi nakuo James Gachara uria wakuire kumana na kuhurwo rithathi muthi wa Sabasaba arahurukio muthi itura-ini ria Gatheri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Githui wa Wairimu.